Now when you turn these settings, when you make the changes to these settings here that I'm going to show you, this is very powerful. Once you make the changes here, your phone should be working very fast and accurately. Okay, so these are the settings that you need to turn on and off. Firstly, you look for developer options tab. For my phone here, it is right at the bottom, the last one. If you don't have it, you can click on about phone and then look for build number. If you don't have it, you click on software information, and there you have the build number. You tap on it 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you should be able to see developer mode turned on, which means you can now make changes to your phone settings using developer options. Okay, so once that is turned on, for other phones like Redmi and other phones, you look for MIUI. There will be a button that shows MIUI and a number, maybe 5 or 6. You tap on that 7 times, you should be able to activate your developer options. Now once this developer options is activated, it will be listed right at the bottom. You tap on that one to open it, and then you scroll down and look for this particular option here, logger buffer sizes. You tap on that one. Alright, tap on that one and change this option down to 16 megabytes. It should be at 16. Alright, change that to 16 megabytes, and then scroll down and open system tracing. Alright, system tracing. You see these two options right at the top where it says record trace and trace debuggable applications. These two options must be turned off. You must turn these two options off, and then use open categories right at the bottom here, still in system tracing. Open categories, and then you turn off all the options. Turn all the options off. Check that all these options are turned off. Only one option that will be left turned on is the power option, power management. Now if that is not turned on, you have to turn it on and switch off all other options. You only have to turn on power management. Then you click on OK. That's it. You have just turned on very powerful settings in your phone. Okay, so you can leave a comment if you see some changes in the performance of your phone.